channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial HR topic: how to create a job grading system. If you're looking to ensure fair and consistent job evaluations in your organization, stick around as we break it down step by step. Let's get started. Creating a job grading system involves a systematic process to ensure fairness, consistency, and clarity in evaluating and categorizing different job roles within an organization. Here are the steps to prepare a job grading system. 1. Define objectives and scope. Objective: establish the purpose of the job grading system, such as ensuring equitable pay, clear career progression, and standardized job evaluation. Scope: determine which roles and departments will be included in the grading system. 2. Form a job evaluation committee. Assemble a team with representatives from HR, management, and possibly employees to ensure diverse perspectives. 3. Conduct job analysis. Collect detailed information about each job, including duties, responsibilities, required skills, qualifications, and working conditions. Use job descriptions, interviews, questionnaires, and observation to gather this information. 4. Choose a job evaluation method. Ranking method. Rank jobs from highest to lowest based on overall importance or complexity. Classification method. Categorize jobs into predefined classes or grades based on similar responsibilities and requirements. Point factor method. Assign points to various job factors, e.g. skills, effort, responsibility, and sum them to determine a job's grade. Factor comparison method. Compare jobs by specific factors and assign monetary values to each factor. 5. Develop job grades and salary ranges. Define the number of grades and establish clear criteria for each grade. Determine salary ranges for each grade based on market data, internal equity, and organizational budget. 6. Evaluate and grade jobs. Use the chosen evaluation method to assess and grade each job within the organization. Ensure consistency and objectivity in the evaluation process. 7. Review and validate. Review the job grades with the evaluation committee and relevant stakeholders. Validate the grading system by comparing it with external benchmarks and internal feedback. 8. Communicate the grading system. Clearly communicate the new job grading system to all employees, explaining the purpose, methodology, and implications. Provide training sessions or materials to help employees understand the system. 9. Implement the system. Integrate the job grading system into HR processes such as recruitment, compensation, performance management, and career development. Ensure that the system is used consistently across the organization. 10. Monitor and update. Regularly review the job grading system to ensure it remains relevant and fair. Update the system as necessary to reflect changes in job roles, organizational structure, or market conditions. By following these steps, you can create a robust job grading system that supports fair and transparent job evaluation and compensation practices within your organization.